means to crack a competitive exam. We only means to we only means by education is to spread the knowledge, but it's also the way of living our life. If we talk about the education means living a life with a suitable things means if you don't want to get any kind of means if you don't want to get anything like a money problem or getting ill and don't have any medicated problem, so it will create problems in your life if you are illiterate, because there are many policies for government which may treat you freely without any money, but if you are illiterate then only you will understand that, because if you are illiterate, whenever you will go for that policy, everyone will thug you or everyone will take money from you, even doctors too. Next I will talk means I want to compare with the elder policy and the policies which are implementing now. If we talk about the elder policies, there were many earlier policies. There are many people like who are standing with means only they getting the knowledge for getting a competitive, cracking a competitive exams like being IAS or anything. But from this 100 or means 70 or 80 years, there are no there. We have even not seen any people who stand for the nation, who are representing nation like Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam, or getting means many more were there who were legend for by their education. Now only we are getting education for cracking means NDA, IIT or this competitive exams. We only means by for education for getting money and living a life. But if you want to live a life with education, then you need to implement this law which are coming now, because education don't mean only exam. We get when you were in a school, you were getting class 1 exam, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if even periodic testage in your class. So you were pressurized by your exams only. When will you go for the beyond studies? When will you go for the adventures? If you don't get any adventure in your life, you will be means your exam mind will be packed. It will not think beyond the matrices. If you will not think anything, how will you live your life? How will you enjoy it? If you will means whatever you will listen means whatever you do, whatever I say means whatever I say you do, then you will not be able to live your life. You will be able to live my life. If you want to live a comfortable and your life, then you need to think beyond the matrices, because the spreading of this knowledge is casual right now. Because if you will go to any colleges or any institute, you will get a routine from morning to evening, and many of the teachers will be absent in the college. Now also this education means after getting this education policies too and getting the government strict, many of the teachers are not working properly, and this also impact our education. There are only 76% of populations which are educated in our India. If we talk, why don't we educate our 100% of means 100% of population? If we spread 100% of our population, what will happen to those corrupted teachers who want money for taking admission? Even in government school too, you need to pay money for the for getting admission or for getting testage, which also harm your education, which also get this means harm to this society too. If you want to live educated and get a proper education, you need to stand before means you need to stand against the corruption, or you need to stand for your life too. You need to get up means you need to even ask the government what to do, what not to. If they are agreed, if then they will means whole society will suffer that. If they are not agreed, then no one will suffer that. We need to understand that sending a school or to our children or means sending to the higher colleges don't mean anything by the education. For means don't mean anything. If we talk, if you will. If you want to get educated, even you can get education by your home too. Like B.R. Ambedkar, who was sitting outside the class every day and reading means each and everything. Now he is called the father of our constitution. The education don't mean to sit in the class and to study means which are written on the board. It only means to live your life and to how to get better knowledges, how to get adventurous, how to get your life more comfortable, and how to live your life more abundantly. Thank you.
Beautiful.